Kenya Tourism Board oyiero jaloch mita 1,500 e piny ngima Faith Kipyegon kaka jambetre margi moyiedhi. Faith noyudo thuolo mar riembo ndiga e gode, temo tugo mar golf kod suore e yie kadho wadh nam chumbi. Jatatije ka Kenya Tourism Board Juna Chepkemei olero ni en mor margi bedo gi Faith kaka jambetre, konyiso ber mar tiyo gi yore mag tuke e ywayo jolimbe e pacho kae. Kwayo podi medo gol ne jo Kenya mondo odhi nyime tiyo gi tuke kaka yorno mar tiego limbe e pacho kae. Faith bende onyiso mor mare mar bedo jambetre mar limbe e pacho kae.
It has been so beautiful, away from being on the running kits every time, and then coming back home and just having experience of traveling around Kenya for off-season and enjoying myself and my daughter and my family. So it has been really, really great and beautiful memories, especially in Aboseli, going close to the elephant. At first I was so scared, but it's really beautiful to be home and coast to coast, very close to animals whereby many people get scared.
Faith Kipyegon showing up in the global majors is an opportunity for Kenya to shine. Every single sportsman and woman that steps out to the field to defend their position on behalf of the country is a moment of pride for us. It is the only platform that the world stops for a minute to appreciate that there is a country called Kenya.
Team mar KCB RFC ong'ado tiko mar quarterfinals